Welcome everyone. In this video lecture, we will solve a GATE 2015 question in which we have to find the small signal voltage gain. So in this circuit, there are two transistor is there, which is basically a PNP transistor. So I am marking the label. This one, this would simply PNP, in which this one is nothing but simply our emitter. Say we are saying E2 and B2 and C2. Okay, so it is very common thing that arrow sign from where it is coming to always shows the emitter in. Okay, similarly this one is our NPN transistor P2N. Okay, so this one is, you can say, this one is a C1. Okay, this one B1 and this one is E1. Okay, we have to find the voltage gain. Now question, we have to find the voltage gain AB, which is our V naught by Vi, a small signal voltage gain. Okay, so now there are two transistor. Okay, so first we have to concentrate on this transistor. Okay, so for now I am just highlighting. We have to concentrate on this transistor. Okay, so this transistor is our one, what I am just drawing. Okay, so this one is connected to ground, PNP transistor. Okay, so this configuration is nothing but simply it acts as a diode configuration. Okay, and how it works? PNP type transistor, PNP. So this in is nothing but simply behave like a diode having VEB voltage. Okay, this is very famous diode configuration. Clear the diode configuration, and if we look the resistance, looking from the resistance, looking from the emitter side, emitter side, the resistance value is Adi. We already discussed in our BJT video lecture. Okay, so there are two things. There are most famous term RPi and the resistance RE. One RPi resistance looking from the base side and RE from the emitter side. For example, for the simplification purpose, I am just giving the, if we are looking from this side RPi, okay, and we are, when we are looking from this side, it should be RE. So RPi equals to VBE by what? IB. Okay, and RE is nothing but simply VBE by IE, or in more general we can write VBE equals to R pi IP. This one is just for our practice, RE. So if we solve this one, we got the formula R pi equals to beta plus 1 RE. Okay, so this one is nothing but simply a, what we can say, a active load due to diode. Okay, and this one is nothing but simply, if we, this one is a diode, so the diode AC small signal resistance is now in this case will be RE. Okay, so we can replace the upper portion with a resistance, say RE, by keeping this one as a ground. Okay, and the other one is nothing but simply our Vi and RE, because the resistance looking from that side will be RE, and IB will be 0 because base beta value is much greater than 1, so IB, the base current, nearly 0, so there is no role of R pi. So we have to in such cases we have to just write the small signal equivalent of this diode based circuit is nothing but simply our RE resistance. Okay, so now this one is the final circuit. Okay, so now we have to find the voltage gain. Okay, so this one, if we want to make the R pi model or hybrid pi model, if we are going for the hybrid pi model. Okay, so in hybrid pi model, what we have to draw first, this one is a NPN transistor. So what I am doing first, we have to write the R pi resistance and some current source. Okay, and this one is the emitter. Okay, so which one is grounded? So for this Q1 transistor, this one is our B1, E1, and this one is our C1, and one resistance is already connected with our RE, and we are taking output from this side, and we are giving the VI. So this value is VBE, okay, which is equals to, and this value is our GMVBE. It is already this IC, a small current IC, I, a small c, SC, a small current, GMVBE. Okay, so this one is a GMVBE. So the output voltage V naught is minus GMVBE into RE. Is it okay? Clear? We know simple hybrid equivalent model we are writing. Okay, for this circuitry. Then after V naught is already fine. Then VI, or we can write this VI is nothing but simply VBE. Okay, VBE, and this AC current is nothing but simply the base current IB. So which is basically IB into R pi. Okay, a small signal model we have to know for this circuitry, and some small concept like diode based circuitry using BJT. So if diode based circuitry is there, so it is replaced by a RE resistance. So VI equals to VBE into IB R pi. Now we have to find this AV. So we have to write V naught by VI, and we can write minus GM VBE into RE by IB R pi. Now we have to use all our concept, because this one is a gate question. So RE R pi, what is the relationship between R pi and RE? So R pi equals to beta plus 1 RE. Okay, and in our question it is clearly mentioned that beta value is much greater than 1. Okay, so R pi is nearly equals to beta RE. R pi equals to nearly equals to beta RE. So now we can write VBE into RE, and IB, make it right for the timing, IB, and R pi is beta times of RE. So this RE and this RE will be cancelled out. Is it okay now? Now we can write minus GM VBE by beta IB. Now beta IB, for the time being, I am again writing GMVP. Beta IB is nothing but simply the small collector current. IC, the small collector current is beta IB AC. AC, a small signal collector current. Okay. Now this one IC, and IC is also Gm times VBE from this model. Okay, from this model IC equals to GMVB. I have already derived everything in my earlier video lecture, so you can go for the earlier video lecture. Then it should be nothing but simply minus IC by IC. So this IC will be cancel out. So the AV value is simply our minus 1. So this one is the very conceptual question, but we have to know the all facts regarding how to draw the this BJT model, hybrid pi model. Okay, clear? And we have to replace this diode, uh, a BJT diode with a resistance. Okay, so R pi RE we have to know, and very famous relationship R pi equals to beta plus 1 RE, and this one is the concept. So similarly, we can easily find the V naught value minus GM into RE, current is going from up direction, and the VBE, which is basically IB into R pi. So this is all about this question. So the final answer will be my sorry minus 1. Okay, we can write it minus 1. Okay, no volt, minus 1. Okay, so this is all about this question, but the main focus is in this one. There is a diode. Okay, in I think in 1992 one more question came regarding this type of NPN diode. Okay, so I will try to solve that question also. So this is all about this question and the solution. So thank you for watching.